Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Craftsman game on your Android phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So first of all, you have to open the Google Play Store on your phone, and to do that, normally you have to find an app named Play Store. So I'm gonna search it here. If you can't find, whenever you are scrolling, then you can click on this search for apps option, and here you can search Play Store, and you will see an app like Play Store. Just tap on it, and then you will see an interface like this. Normally click on the search button on the bottom right corner. Here it is. So normally I'm gonna click on it, and after then you have to search here Craftsman. So if you search it, then you will see an exact this interface named Craftsman, and after then just normally click on this search icon on the bottom right corner, and then you will see the Craftsman game. Just click on it, and then here you will get an icon or text like install. Just click on it, and it is going to be installed on your phone within a minute. So after installing it, you can open it and play the game simultaneously. So I think this video will help you a lot. Here you can see that the game has been downloaded, and if I now click on this home button, and if I go to the home, you will see that the game has been installed on my phone. Here is the game. So I'm gonna click on this play button. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to play Craftsman game on your Android phone. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.